It's not breeze.
This is breeze.
Okay, World Cup is a time for bets, fans, enthusiasts, and of course, bandwagons.
Yeah.
So those who are supporting a team.
The Brazilian bandwagon is them.
But we're having a chat with a couple guys who love the sport. So we head to the field with Zico Garzon and Keon Kervin. Gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning.
So before I go, we have a France supporter, we have another Argentina supporter.
Say it loud now.
Yeah, speak up.
Be proud, yeah, Keon. We're not hide and talk.
Keon is Argentina. I don't know why. Anyway, gentlemen, World Cup every 4 years. Why this excitement about the World Cup?
Well, Jamaica is a love of football nation, and it's just the national sport.
True?
Yes,
I thought track and field was our thing.
No, football is national sport. So, and we all like football right through the year. Schoolboy football is a big thing. It's a bigger thing than even our regular boys now. Because whenever you have schoolboy football, the stadium is jam-packed.
Full.
And this is an excitement for everybody, both young and old. And 4 years is almost like similar to Olympics. We look forward to it. You know, it's just the one thing where everybody can bet, everybody get hyped up, everybody buys a flag and wave around.
Zico, what's your take on the
I
World
want
Cup?
to
Why
add
are you
that,
attached to it?
Yeah, for the World Cup is the stage where all the best players in the world are at the same place. So it's like, I know people that taking vacation leave to watch
Because,
the World Cup.
no, sir. Oh, that, let me report them.
Yeah, all the favorite players are there, so it is really a time, and especially the competition also is there. Everybody have their own teams, and it's a time.
I don't want to say I'm showing favoritism, so I'm gonna start with Zico.
Okay.
Tell me, why do you think your team, France, has a chance at winning World Cup this year?
France is very solid at every position. Our forwards, Griezmann, Mbappe,
Giroud.
Yeah, Giroud.
I think it's Africa as a whole.
We have Paul Pogba, Kante in the middle. Around the back we have Mendy.
All right, you're going to name all the players for the team. Who is their biggest competition?
Brazil. Yeah.
Keon, tell me about your team and why.
I'm going to be honest. I'm not, even though I'm an Argentine in terms of my...
You don't think so we're going to win?
No, to be honest, we don't have the depth there. And I don't necessarily like the coach's philosophy. His philosophy is centered around Lionel Messi.
Player, yeah.
If Lionel Messi gets injured, then what happens to the rest of the team? But,
My question is though, how did you get to start supporting Argentina and France? Because you're not from Argentina or France.
Well, we have only been to the World Cup once, so
you
you have to be a part of the World Cup, to find somebody. But to be honest, I supported Argentina because I don't like Brazil.
Because you don't like Messi?
I don't like Brazil.
Are you serious?
Yes, because of friends who are supporters of Brazil. They're all around. It's almost like Man U fans.
What you trying to say?
You can't stop it.
We're talking about World Cup. What I'm just saying, so that's one of the reasons why. And I was born in the era of Maradona and saw his skills, and I liked football, and I used to watch videotapes and stuff like that. So that's where my alliance started lying with Argentina.
Before we go for the break, can any of you play football?
Yes, I played.
All right, go on.
Halftime break. Going for a quick halftime break.
We'll come back. Hey, back on seat. Hey.
For DJ Big. Well, Christ alone, losing people you love can change your life for sure. In this world so cold, the pain we feel that we never know. In this world so cold, oh yeah, on your feet, no, not on the floor.
This World Cup thing.
My chair.
House divided.
Yes, my chair is leaning. So he said, it's because I come on my flag away. I said, yeah, because my team heavy, we're large. I saw a cup.
We're back with Zico and Keon. So second half of the show starts again. So gentlemen, we're talking about your teams that you support, but what are your plans for this World Cup? I know you're getting together with friends and family, but what's the layout for the land?
For me, is for the games, be watching at work. I hope my boss is not watching. Watching at work. You know, once you reach like the second round of 16, quarterfinals, you meet up at the Tracks and Records because that's where the big teams play. So definitely have, so definitely have plans to.
You know where you're working again, so tell me what you plan for watching match then.
No, we have a big screen TV in our boardroom, so that's
Wonderful.
where we're going to
See,
watch most of the
that is a
watches,
place that understands World Cup. I remember when we were in rehearsal pause for World Cup match, you know, TV come at the theater, we have to stop because it's such a big deal.
They're going to schedule meetings
Around it. Okay, so I don't know if any of you are attached. Do you have a significant other? What rules do you have for your girlfriend if she's not a World Cup supporter during World Cup time?
Actually, my wife is anything that I support, she supports.
Well, is that a good wife?
Yesterday she bought a wristband.
Argentina wristband for good wife.
Yes.
Yes, wife. Rapport, wife.
thumbs up.
Okay, I can't say the same.
Okay, so our producer has some rules that she's going to put up on screen for us, and we're going to read. Go ahead, Dewey.
Okay, dear spouse, with 9 days to go, well, 5 days to go for the FIFA World Cup, there are some things that needs to be said. During this period, I won't have a lot of time for you. It's not that I'm cheating or no longer wish to be with you, but I'll make every effort to watch every single match. With 7 days to go, okay, so start
calm down.
Okay, guideline 1. Don't say it's just a game, because it's not.
It's just so that you can get malice.
Guideline 2. The remote control remains with me at all times. This should be guideline 1.
No, you need separate
should be
TVs.
Oh, so it's just 2?
No, man, I think there's more.
Oh, we're going to count, we're going to keep going. Okay. So you agree with those?
Yeah,
What's
you need
your
separate
rules,
TVs.
Zico? Separate
You need
TVs
separate
during World Cup
TVs,
time.
yeah.
So you have to give her what she wants,
Yeah,
so she
man.
can go watch her
Or
soap opera and her
Netflix
movie.
and-
Yeah,
yeah,
Netflix.
right.
But she just want me chilling with you.
Yeah, and then I'm in the living room with the big screen.
The big screen.
Yeah.
Or you're at work.
Oh, yeah.
Well, now forget
okay,
that part there. So, as it is, we have 5 days. World Cup is on Thursday, and everybody's planning. And just in case you don't have a big enough TV at home, know that there are places that you can go and watch it. Flo will be airing all over the place. All of the main matches they'll be airing across the island.
Half a tree of a big screen.
Half a tree of a big screen. There are lots of sports bars that have humongous screens. So go out, find somewhere, make some camaraderie, drink 2 juice, and enjoy yourself. Don't get violent. This is all in good fun.
Please, I'm glad you mentioned that. Keep it civilized, because guess what? We're supporting countries that some of us never been
we
to.
don't have the attachment
No
to them,
attachment.
really. So,
Enjoy
please,
sports.
keep it in good fun. We're going to go for a break now. Yeah?
It's halftime break, so water break.
Water break? Okay, we're going for the water break. And when we come back, we're going to have something liquid.
Where's
Not
flag?
water, but you threw it away.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason. See the champions take the field. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets, our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful